Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rusli. I am student of Physical Education and Teaching, Class A, with the student ID number 240302501059. Before I start, I want to ask you to take a moment and reflect on a person in your life who means everything to you. A person who is not just family, but someone who makes the world feel a little warmer, a little brighter. From me, that person was my aunt. 3 days before Ramadan this year, something happened that I could never have imagined. My aunt, someone who had always been full of life, someone who had always been there for us, was suddenly taken to the hospital, and from that moment, my world changed forever. I remember the Denning, she was rushed to the hospital. The fear, the uncertainty, the feeling of helplessness, of cold belief that the woman I had always looked up to, the one who always made us long at family gatherings, the one who had an heart full of kidneys was lying in a hospital bed, so vulnerable. As the days went by, Ramadan began, and while the rest of the world was celebrating the holy month, I found myself in a hospital room. I spent my first few days of Ramadan next to my aunt, while her husband by her side. The smell of the hospital, the constant beeping of machines, it all felt so surreal. But we didn't give up hope. We stayed by her side, holding her hand, praying that she would get better. We all believed that she would recover and that we would share a meal together on eight just like every year. But the 24 today, 24 the day of her treatment came, and with it our hearts were shattered. My aunt, the woman who had brought so much love into our lives, was gone. I still remember the woman when the doctor told us the news. The words felt like they were coming from a place so far away, like I was hearing them from another life. My aunt, the kid's soul, was no longer with us. The sadness, the grief, it felt unbearable. She was not just an aunt, she was a sister, a friend, a mother figure to many. She had always been the one to link of every room she entered. Her laughter was contagious. Her spring up uplifting. She was the glue that held our family together. Always there when we needed her the most. And now, and now, with her gone, a part of me feels lost. But even as I stand here today, I know that she would want us to dwell in sadness. She would want us to remember the love she gave us and to carry it forward in our hearts. Ramadan will never be the same without her. Eid will never feel as joyful as it once did. But I find peace in knowing that she is in a better place, surrounded by peace and love. My aunt's legacy of kindness and love will live on in all of us. And even though she may no longer be here with us physically, I know that her spirit will with me and all of us through the darkest times. That's all for this video. Thank you for listening until the end. See you in next video.